below 5 amazing benefits of beard oil and why you should use it every day. Let's be clear, beard oil is one of the most important tools in your grooming kit if you're serious about maintaining a healthy, attractive beard. It just is. It's one of the game changers that help transform your beard from a mere mass of facial hair to one that others admire. Not that you need the admiration of others, but oil can help you acquire the confidence that you're always putting your best beard forward. 1. Beard oil helps get rid of the dreaded beard itch. An itchy beard is more than an aggravation. In some cases, it's so persistent and such a pain in the ass that it drives men to the brink of debating whether it's worth it to have a beard after all. Beard oil liberates you from all that itching by nourishing and coating hair follicles while moisturizing the skin beneath the beard, at the least the top quality oils do. Why does your beard itch? It can come down to a number of reasons. Where you are in the growth stage, one of the most common times to experience beard itch is during the early stages of growth, especially for first-time growers. Regular shaving left your facial hair with sharp, jagged edges, and those follicles can penetrate the skin while causing irritation and itching when they begin to grow. Dryness. New, longer facial hair requires more of the skin's natural oil, called sebum, to remain properly hydrated, but sebum production doesn't always keep pace with hair growth, and the skin becomes dry, which is when it starts itching. The glands that produce sebum, called the sebaceous glands, don't grow along with your beard and can only produce so much oil. Dirt, grime, etc. If your beard continues to itch after it advances beyond its early growth stages, it may be because of particles of dirt, dead skin cells, and even food trapped within your beard. Indeed, the remnants of lunch can bring on the itch, and hopefully not heartburn, too. So, beard oil steps in, gives your beard and facial skin a needed dose of moisture while supporting sebum, and your beard itch quits driving you insane. Sounds like a bargain, and it is. 2. Beard oil fights beard dandruff. Here's the thing, using beard oil in the early growth stages of your beard keeps the skin moisturized as follicles become longer and use up more of your skin's natural oils. That also means less itching and less beard rough dropping its unflattering white flakes over everything. But also keep in mind that beard rough can happen at any time, particularly if you live in a climate where weather extremes are common, especially cold, wintry weather. Harsh weather can dry the skin underneath your beard and bring on dandruff and itching. 3. Beard oil helps treat patchy beards. There are a few reasons why your beard is patchy, with some areas of your face full of follicles and others that look like a mangy dog, including genetics. It's tough to alter the outcome of genetics. If your father and grandfather had patchy beards, you stand a good chance of having one, too, but that doesn't mean there's no hope. Beard oil, particularly therapeutic beard oil, helps the skin underneath the beard thrive and potentially heal any issues that cause patchiness. It also moisturizes the skin and beard, as we've discussed, which helps promote your beard's overall health. Does beard oil help growth? Technically, no, because there's little you can do to change the rate at which your beard grows, but beard oil, thanks to ingredients such as jojoba and argan oil, helps create the conditions for healthy growth. 4. Beard oil makes styling your beard easier. If you're tired of a scruffy-looking beard in which some hairs stick out like electrical wiring, it's time to reach for your beard oil. For one, it makes your beard softer and easier to manage, but the good ones don't include harsh chemicals that irritate your facial hair and skin. Beard oil is an excellent alternative to styling gels and sprays, which often contain harmful toxins. It's a gentle moisturizer that helps keep your beard smooth and sleek. Unless you're going for the lumberjack look, you need products that keep stray hairs in place while making them easier to style. One of the many nice things about beard oil is that you can use it in conjunction with beard balm, as well as using it as a standalone product. Beard balm has a hold that lasts throughout the day, and among the few disadvantages of beard oil is that it doesn't provide the same kind of hold. Then again, that's why there's beard balm. Lest we forget, Another advantage beard oil has over many other styling products is that it's made from natural ingredients, at least the best beard oils are, that is. Be wary of styling gels and sprays that include ingredients that are overly hard to pronounce, such as phthalates and hydrotone, and made up of synthetic, and potentially toxic, chemicals. 5. Beard oil helps fight acne. While it may seem counterintuitive to use oil to help treat acne, since oily skin often leads to pimple breakouts, beard oil helps cleanse and moisturize the skin beneath your beard and doesn't clog pores. Bear in mind that some beard oil ingredients are better than others for helping to prevent acne. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil comes from the seeds of jojoba plants native to Arizona, northern Mexico, and the arid regions of California. It's also one of the more popular ingredients in many of today's grooming products, not the least of which is beard oil. Of all the extracted natural oils, jojoba is the closest to sebum, the oil produced by the human body. Jojoba also is rich in essential nutrients and vitamins that help develop a thicker, healthier beard. Coconut oil. Overly dry skin can cause acne breakouts, as well, but coconut oil locks moisture into the skin and hair to help keep skin properly hydrated. Coconut oil also prevents your skin from flaking, which can lead to beard rough, while reducing the irritation caused by trimming your beard or shaving the parts of your face not covered by facial hair. Almond sweet oil. Almond sweet oil, like coconut oil, reduces inflammation while treating sensitive skin that's often prone to acne breakouts. Its high fatty acid content reduces inflammation, while it also improves blood flow to the inflamed area. So, this is the list of 5 amazing benefits of beard oil and why you should use it every day. Now, if you like this video then give it a thumbs up, and if you want to know more tips and tricks about beards then make sure to subscribe to our channel or visit our website, www.thekingsmanbeard.com.
Also, if you want to grab a free bottle of our beard oil then just message us on our Instagram at @thekingsmanbeard.